This is DashboardSymbols.com. In this video, we will replace the dead battery in a 2019 and later Kia key fob with a fresh one. We will use the mechanical key as well as a very small screwdriver as tools, and we'll need a new CR2032 battery. We want to remove the back of the fob. We'll start by removing the mechanical key. Look for the small unmarked chrome button on the side of the fob nearest the keyring. Press it and pull the keyring, and we have the mechanical key. Look for this ridge and gap near the back of the fob. Slip the mechanical key in the slot and twist. The cover comes away very easily. The battery is now seen with its markings up, and there is our CR2032. Use the tip of the screwdriver to push it out, being careful not to touch any electrical connections. A new one slips into the opening very easily, and make sure the markings are up. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery. We're using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery. If you make a final move with a finger, just give it a final wipe. Snap the cover back on and replace the mechanical key. Then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.